when I came to the bank. It was my pain point. Because nobody knew me. People slammed doors, people didn't talk. Because of one reason, because I didn't have a brain. Now we are like 20 people here, almost 40 people on the board. Every single customers you have, now which I am going to say is the essence of the board. I'm going to give you. Every single customer you have is a customer of somebody else. Every single customer. Now there are two categories in that case. One category is competition, one category is collaboration. We have both in the group. We have competition and we have collaboration. People don't like it. Personally, I won't be liking competition for myself if I see a smaller picture. But if I see a bigger picture, let's draw them this picture. For example, in your case, if client is looking for you and you give him a code, what do you think? What will client do next? You have sent him a code. What the client will do?
Maybe they will compare different options. They have different options.
Exactly. So instead of he is finding different options outside of the board, why not to create these different options inside the board? All right. This is one point. I'm covering the competition part because competition is uncomfortable. I understand, but competition is here for a purpose. Okay. Secondly, I believe that one company is offering different services. One company is offering different services, but primary services same. So, this is my vision. I'm not sure how it will work when it will work because I'm not focusing in this part. I'm focusing on something else, which I will come to you later now. What I'm focusing on. But this is my vision that if you are expert in one thing, your competitor is expert in another thing, you collaborate. You collaborate. You reduce your expenses, for example, offices. Tell your client that we are 5 people working in this industry. Which one you need? Okay, this is my vision. I'm not sure how it's going to work, but this is something which I feel. This is something which I see. For example, in Aman's case, for example, you are building websites. You might be building branding as well. So I'm not sure. I'm not just going to. I'm just taking as an example. In this case, the brand is somewhat maybe your secondary option, but this is primary for another company. So instead of like focusing on 4, 5, 6 parameters, focus on one and collaborate with others. So you can provide the focused solution to the customer. Now, today's time, customer want 2 things, which I realized: perfection and diversification. You cannot be perfect in 10 categories, never. You can be perfect in 1 or maximum 2 categories. But you are offering 3, 4, 5 categories. So why not collaborate with somebody who is in a similar domain and offer him a complete package? For example, in case of website, branding, logo making, digital marketing, alright? Something like this. Initially you will see that your profit margin is being reduced. But if client is becoming happy, definitely it will increase. So we have competition in this group for this reason. So customer will find the best service from you. Secondly, collaboration. Collaboration is the same thing I talked about. If there is some customer you are entertaining, your customer is not looking for just one service. Definitely he is looking for 5, 6, 10, 15 services. For example, in this case, Anshuman is offering these services: web apps, mobile apps, enterprise software. Okay. These services are already taken care of. But these clients might be looking for something else as well. Right? So if that person is within the board, it is very easy to find that guy for the client. Okay, so this is the essence of the board: competition and collaboration. So the next thing is, which is important to discuss today. Last time, what was our number we have achieved? The prospects lead we have today. If someone remembers. No? Last time 2 million. Last time what was the number? 1.4. Alright. These 2 weeks were not really very good, but we have now today we are standing on 2.2 million. And among these, 200 codes is sent by Abhinav, maybe 1 code will be sent by So this is what how we are growing. Alright?
Sorry, Farooq, that is about the lead we generate, right?
Lead, yes, not closing.
Not closing.
Not closing. Closing is something else we will talk about in coming months.
No.
Okay. So most of this business, where this business came from? Again, connections. This business, all this business. One guy called me actually 2 days ago, and I'm advertising, I'm marketing this lead into the group, and he called me. Farooq, how are you generating these machines? I said, I'm not generating it. People are generating it. He said, how? So you have one connection, you have some clients. It is the essence of the board that you share your clients with somebody else who is providing another service. So, how it will happen? You have to talk about this board to the client. You have to talk about this board to the client. What will client get? You will ask, okay, what will client get? Client will get trust, because client trusts you. If trust you, and if you refer somebody like Sadaf is referring a lot of things to the board. There is somebody else as well, Basil. Basil has given the maximum leads. Okay? So when Basil gives a lead, Basil talks about this board to somebody else, he trusts Basil, so he trusts the board as well. So this is how we are going to cross-selling. This is called cross-selling, I guess. So this is called cross-selling. So this purpose is cross-selling. So thank you gentlemen, thank you for being here. 2 million in numbers we have achieved. Now, I'm going to take the next step forward for all of you. Mostly the people who are into building services and major customized digital services. These people are going to get the benefit a lot. And I am going to go to the buildings, procurement departments of big companies to get the project. All people who are sitting here under building category are going to get the benefit first, and the digital services. The people who are providing the digital services. Corporate services, I will be definitely looking into this particular domain in some time. So these are the main services which I am going to talk about. I will do the procurement. Tomorrow I have a meeting at 3 o'clock. I'll be sharing all of you with that guy. I'm not going to restrict only building. I will provide him the complete booklet. Whatever services he needs, I will talk to him, I will convince him, I will convert him. This is my job. I will assist you in that. So once the lead is coming, I have just one request. I have seen this problem that once the lead is given to somebody, the process becomes very slow. Please expedite this particular process. This is very important. We are generating this lead after a lot of effort. Maybe it's for you just one lead, but for us it's a lot of effort. So if lead is coming, just speed up the process. Okay? Last thing I'm going to close. I will not talking much. I will close. I will ask 3 questions. And 3 questions is the vision I have. I am working with all of you. For you, in fact. Literally, I am working for all of you. My main purpose is to become your sales arm. So you don't need to hire a sales team. I am your sales team. I will bring leads for you. Okay? So this is currently my job. Anyways, all of you are business owners. I will ask the question. If you can raise your hands. Difficult question, right? How many of you Okay, how many of you want to become millionaires?
Everyone.
Everybody.
Everybody?
No, there is
There are few of them who want to become millionaires.
It's not them.
Okay, second question. I said 3 questions. Second question. First question, how many of you want to be millionaires? Everybody. Second question. How many of you are committed to be millionaires? How many of you, this is the most difficult question, how many of you want to make someone else a millionaire? Good. This is the essence of the book. What I talked just previously, the way I have given you, I am following this particular way. If you follow this way, you can generate business with somebody else. And if you are committed to make somebody else a millionaire, what will you become? Millionaire. Good. So have a good clap. Thank you so much for coming. And now I will just request to have a chit chat with the others. Have this samosas, pakoras, or biscuits. And thank you so much for being part of this group. We will have this session again on next Wednesday. Alright, and see which guys you find common customers with. The purpose of this meeting is to find common customers with somebody else. Maybe you find common customers with Anshuman, with Kaleem, maybe with Megha, maybe with Shoaib. Sit with him, try to find these customers and meet them, their customers as well. Alright, take my help. I'm available. I'm available for follow-up. One thing I'm very good at, follow-ups. Rijaz is good.
Yeah, very good.
You give me something and I will keep following up. This is my job. Okay. Alright, so use me for follow-up. I'm your sales arm, I'm your support all the time, 24/7. Okay. And this is what I want. I want to see everybody become millionaires. This is my goal. But alone I cannot do that. I need to do that. The way is multiply efficiently use your customers. The person who is already a customer, make him a customer of somebody else as well. And you have a referral fee as well within the board. Everybody is signed for that. So this is a good thing as well. Okay? This is an efficient way, I would say. See who is your competition. I'm going to add competition in the group as well, by the way. Don't mind that. It is for good. See how you can collaborate with your competitor. It's going to be tough, but it's possible. Secondly, I'm going to create a collaborative model as well. Like digital collaboration is there. Building collaboration is very easy. Like he's providing flooring, you are providing interior. Who else is there from building services? Basil is providing maintenance. So when Abhinav finds a client, it's a client for Basil as well. Okay? Who else is from buildings? Building. Taha is there. So what is happening if Abhinav sent a code? I am sure that guy will be looking for Taha after some time. So this is going to be Abhinav's job and my job to see when that client needs something else. Abhinav, tell us the real scenario today happened. You got a mail. I want you to come on stage, please. You got a mail and there was something you are not directly offering. Can you please tell us? Then you called me and
Actually, what happened was that there was this inquiry and they wanted a speaker installation in gyms.
So one second, I have to stop. What that inquiry for you was?
Yeah, it was for me. For me, it was for the flooring and the ceiling works, for the interior works, change the flooring, the ceiling paint, some demolition and small other things. But it was a good inquiry. So they also wanted music system installation in that. So I cannot, like, I don't have the team for that. Even if I wanted to do, I will ask someone else. So I asked Farooq only that do we have someone in the board so that we can do the same thing, so that it can be a teamwork for both of us. So that's why I asked him, and then he connected me with the guy, and then I sent him the videos and the side images, and then yeah, I think so today we get the footage from him. So yeah, that's all.
So this is exactly what I am seeing. Thank you so much. This is what I'm seeing. This is a real time scenario, and it will happen. Anshuman is very supportive in this particular way. Actually, Anshuman is a very good guide for me. Anshuman is, that's why you see Anshuman is on the screen. Maybe he's supposed to dare. Alright, Anshuman is very good guide. Thank you, Anshuman, for every support you are giving me. Very supportive. Very few guys I found in my life who are that much supportive. Whenever I call Anshuman, yahan jana chale. Anshuman, yes, let's go. So yesterday we had a meeting with one person as well. So we are meeting every day. Every day. So thank you everybody. Just enjoy the gathering, enjoy this. Maybe we start having these fun events as well. Because purpose of this meeting is just to make connections. This is I want to move. This is my job. I see this is my job. Other than that, 5 C's, who know what are the 5 C's? Very good. 5 C's. 5 C's are 5 C's of sales. I'm going to tell you what these 5 C's are, and this is involved in sales. If you want to sell yourself more, your companies more, you have to follow these 5 C's. First of all, you have to build connections, then you have to build the credibility, then you have to communicate about your products and services, then you have to discuss the cost, then the positivity boost. Okay, if you miss or overcome any one of these, you will face problems in closing. So my job is this. Credibility, I can provide my credibility maybe, but not yours. This is why we have this and this here. Maybe we'll have profiles as well, so customer can see that this person is credible. Third is communicate. You have to communicate. Maybe the day is coming, maybe when I can communicate on your behalf, but currently I'm opening the gate for you, making the connections. Credibility, somewhat my credibility, rest is yours. Communication, you have to communicate. Like the code was sent, it was a communication. You went there, right, on the side. You went on the side. Then the cost. And then the final step, we are all interested in. Okay? So thank you so much. Help me in building strong connections. Give me some ideas. use me as your assistant all the times, 24/7. I'm saying that. You are my extended family. Okay, use me as much as you can. I will build your connections, and I will make you millionaires. This is my vision. Okay, thank you so much.